Eraso. Question number 1. How has technology changed human lives and you, community? We can technology is essential for change and improving people's quality of life. Since technology has opened the door for us to access fundamental services as health has by having an internet connection. Internet are capable of providing the basic stake that a person needs to find a job without close have in talent and point. They have allowing people to improve or the quality of life and sometimes improve and bring benefits to the public. 2. What positive and negative aspects do you think community have in the use of technology today? The positive aspect that it has brought to community interaction that is more fluid with other people and increase integrity. And negative points that this has brought is that due of new production that has generated that the people are lives and it brought it and entire people are later due to the arrival of technology in our lives.